Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you very good face creams that will transform your face, that will give you flawless results, make your face look so bright, so beautiful, and so glowy, and also treat hyperpigmentation, sunburn, and other skin irritation. So we're looking at my top 5 face cream in 2024. Like there's a lot, but I'm going to start with this. So I'm just going to talk about 5 in this video. In another video, I'll bring more face cream because the face creams in the market right now, they are not here to play. So we're going to start with the If Desire face cream. I'm sure you guys have been seeing this along, especially on TikTok. This face cream is trending for a reason, and that's because it is super effective. It delivers good result and it gives you that flawless skin that we all want. So this face cream is good when you have redness on your face, if you are suffering from dark spot, if you have sunburn, hyperpigmentation, skin discoloration. And this is a face cream that you should go for. It is super effective. It gives beautiful results in no time, and it also has SPF 50, which is another added benefit of this face cream. This face cream is said to be made with natural ingredients, and like I said, it gives amazing results. It will help to treat your skin, clear your skin, smooth your skin, also leave your skin spotless. This is an amazing face cream. It's good for all skin type, whether sensitive, normal, whatever, even aging skin. This face cream is good. Now, this is the second one, which is also an If Desire product from the same company. This one is called the If Desire White Plus. So it comes in 2 containers. They are exactly the same thing in the container. It's just 2 different containers. So it's like you get it in the silver or the gold. They are the same. Please don't be deceived. They are exactly the same. So this one is the White Plus. So this one is actually perfect for somebody who is looking for proper, like, all-out whitening. Then this is what you will get. The first one is also good. It's going to whiten your face, but this is more strength. These 2 are more strength than this one, but they are all very good. Whichever works for you. I've seen this works wonders on people's skin, and so this. So please don't say which one is the strongest. This has more strength, and this is also very effective. So whichever one you lay your hands upon, please get them. You will not regret them. If Desire face cream are super effective. They are trending for a reason. Honestly, they are very good. The next face cream that I'm going to share with you guys is called the Flawless White Face Cream. I don't know, there's something on it I'm trying to get rid of. So this is the Flawless White Face Cream. I'm going to make sure that all the pictures will be on my thumbnail as well. So this is another whitening face cream. This one is going to glow your skin. It's going to help you remove spots from your face. It is also going to help you with whitening your face, and also it has anti-aging properties. And another good thing about it is it has 30 SPF. I just love face creams that comes with SPF, especially when you are in a weather where the weather is really hot, or even if the weather is not. You just need that extra advantage on your skin. And what SPF does that people don't know is it actually helps to glow your skin. So people that wear sunscreen, you will see that their face is always glowing because it really helps to glow your skin. So this is another whitening face cream that is super effective. Honestly, this one is super effective, and it's fast selling. Like, I'm not exaggerating. The amount of these things that I sell in a week is unbelievable. It flies. Before I stock up, it's gone. Before I stock up, it's gone. It's always out of stock because this product, people that have been using it, they know that it gives amazing results. So don't forget, try the Flawless White Face Cream. And then the next face cream that I'm going to show you guys is the Snow White and Radiant Face Cream. Another beautiful face cream. If you are looking to whiten your face before the end of this year, these are the kind of face cream that you should be looking into. Not only are they very effective, they are also very gentle and nice on the skin. They don't cause you any irritation. They don't cause you any skin inflammation. They will look after your skin and pamper your face. This face cream is also super effective. They are a bit pricey, but believe me, they are worth every penny because of the result that they deliver. They deliver amazing, beautiful results all the time. Like this one is also another fast-selling face cream that does not stay long. Before I stock, it is gone. Another face cream that we have all been talking about, another trending face cream, is the glutathione vitamin C face cream. This is another face cream that is very popular but also very, very effective. You know, sometimes popular products are not always effective, but this particular one is popular and is also effective. It works. This face cream has been around for a long time, and I've been selling this face cream for years. But it's funny that it's just now that it's trending. This face cream has never disappointed me. Since I've been selling this face cream, I have never been disappointed. I think it's because of all this trending on TikTok and all that made the company to increase the price. It's always been a little bit pricier than every other face cream, but now the price is even unbelievable. But this delivers. I like when you see a company that maintains the standard of their products, you should always applaud them. So this one is an ultimate whitening face cream, and it fades dark spots, it evens out your skin. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any SPF, which is not so good, but it is still very effective. So when you are wearing this, make sure you use your skin sunscreen. This one contains glutathione, arbutane, vitamin C, kojic acid, and many, many more. This face cream can be used day and night. It is super, super, super effective. And then the last but not the least, I'm going to share with you today, guys, is Skin Balance. This is another face cream that's been around for so long, but people are not just getting it. I don't know why this face cream is not trending, because it's also very, very, very effective. All these face creams that I'm sharing with you today are mild face cream. They work so gently on your skin. It doesn't mean that they're slow, but they're gentle. They just love your skin back, and they give amazing, beautiful results when you try them. This is a facial cream that will help you to fade your dark spots, your hyperpigmentation, your skin irritation, and it also helps to remove any skin blemishes and results from 7 days. This is also a very, very good effective face cream. I have also been selling this one for years as well, and it's good. Just like the serum is trending, this face cream is also very, very good, and it works beautifully well. Now, these 5 face creams that I've shared with you today are not face cream that is going to damage your skin. They're not face cream that is going to even cause you more issues, but they're face cream that will transform your face. Believe me, they will. They will give you good results, and in no time you will see amazing, beautiful results when using these face creams. The result has been overwhelming. When something is trending, sometimes it's trending for a reason, and these ones are trending for a reason. So if you're looking for a face cream that will whiten your face, transform your face, give you that flawless face that you want, without spots, without pigmentation, without sunburn, without irritation, then you can choose any of these face cream that you like. They are all very good. One is no better than the other. They are very unique in their own ways. Have you tried any of these face creams? Please come to my comment section. Let's chat about your experience, or if you are planning to try, which one are you looking into? Thank you for watching this video. I sell all these face creams. They are all available at my website, www.4gsbeauty.com, and also if you are in Nigeria, in Ibadan to be precise, you can walk into our walk-in store and place your order, or you order them or buy them. So if you are enjoying, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, stay blessed.